Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome's version and OS. This guides which fixes apply. Once done, create a temporary clean profile and open incognito to isolate extensions. You then disable suspect extensions one at a time, testing after each change so you find the cause quickly. If extensions are not the issue, clear cache and site data for the affected domain, then restart Chrome. This removes stale resources that often produce rendering or login errors. Next, you perform deeper diagnostics. Reset Chrome, //flags, and disable experimental features because they often introduce instability. Make sure to run the Chrome Cleanup tool or a trusted anti-malware scan, since unwanted software can hijack requests. If problems persist, backup bookmarks and settings, then reinstall Chrome. Choose to preserve browsing data when prompted to avoid extra setup. While reinstalling, monitor the network with dev tools to spot failing requests, error codes, or blocked resources so you know. Finally, verify the fix in a guest profile and an alternate browser to ensure the issue was Chrome-specific. You should check OS-level network settings, flush DNS, review proxy configuration, and confirm firewall rules allow Chrome traffic. Once fixed, sync settings carefully. If the bug remains, collect logs, console output, and exact reproduction steps. File a clear bug report to Chromium or your IT team, because precise logs speed resolution. This single step often shortens the path to a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.